Hi, welcome to What's Molly Cooking. I am here to show you how to make a high protein, low-ish calorie queso dip. Queso is like my kryptonite. I could eat so much of it. One of my favorite foods. And we're gonna use some ingredients that are gonna keep it a little bit better for our New Year's resolutions. The Super Bowl always happens to fall after New Year's. And we're all trying to eat healthy, and then it comes and we want the queso and the chicken wings and all of that stuff. So I want to show you how to make something that you can bring to a party and it won't spoil your diet. And it's also going to taste amazing and cheesy and yummy and a little bit spicy. You're going to love it. So we're going to start with our ingredients. I have 1 pound of ground turkey. I just finished browning it on the stove there. We're going to use a packet of taco seasoning. 1 cup of non-fat, 0% Greek yogurt, a can of Rotel, and our Velveeta cheese. Who doesn't love queso, right? This is gonna be awesome. Psychopaths, that's who doesn't love queso. So, I have a pretty serving dish here, but we don't need that yet. I have these are the late July tortilla chips. I think they're like slightly less guilty. They're nothing miraculous here. They're still chips, but they taste good. They look a little healthier, and I think they might be a little bit higher in fiber and maybe slightly lower in calories. So let's get started. I browned our ground turkey, and then we added our taco seasoning to it. Okay guys, we have our ground turkey with taco seasoning in it. While it's still hot, I'm going to add a can of Rotel. Dump the whole thing in there. We're gonna add our cubed Velveeta cheese. This is 16 ounces and I cubed it. That way it just melts a little quicker, the smaller pieces, rather than just putting in the big hunk. If you are making this in a crock pot and you wanna cook your beef first, then throw all the ingredients in the crock pot, you can do that as well. I wanna eat mine now, so I am making it in a pot. And if I need to melt it a little more, I'll throw it back on the stove. So we put in our Velveeta cheese, our Rotel, start giving it a little stir to get that Velveeta nice and melty. Okay, our queso is all melted together into this dreamy, creamy, delicious smelling cheese sauce with nice hunks of ground turkey, and we have the Rotel, so that's like tomatoes and green chilies. It is gonna be so good. I am ready for it. So once melted, if you're gonna serve immediately, you could put it into a pretty serving dish. If you'd like to keep it out for say a football game or a party, you can put it into a small crock pot and keep it on warm and just stir it every once in a while. But we're gonna have ours right now. I can't wait to try this. So here we go. OMG. Do you see this? I wish you had smell-o-vision. I can't even tell you how strong my love for queso goes. Seriously, kryptonite. Okay, it's all done here. I wanted to go over the nutrition facts. A serving of this, which is 1/10 of this whole bowl, that's a lot of queso, you guys, has only 192 calories and 17 grams of protein. That's a win in my book. Let's give it a shot. This is the important part, right? We did it. Seriously, it is so creamy and cheesy and a little bit spicy. Oh my goodness, you are gonna love it. Make sure you make it for your Super Bowl parties and let me know in the comments how it goes. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a meal with me. And as my dad would say, manja.